Here we are on the 34th floor at Victoria Towers. It's a beautiful Friday morning. Down there is Surfers Paradise. A couple of big buildings going up down there as well. The Hilton and the Sol. That's the big Q1 there. Just pan around to our left, out towards Main Beach. Crane tower in the way. Down there towards Fisho's. And we are a fair way up here, 34 floors. Building's nearly finished, one more to go and we're out of here. Out towards Carrara in the background, there's a new KFL stadium. There's two boys pretending they're doing some work. Mike Morrison. How you going, Mike?
Hey. Yeah, good.
Don't lie.
Busy.
Busy?
Busy, yeah.
As you can see, they follow my example, they work hard. There's a Mikaele Talawasa Fossa. He is a Tongan. There's his bump.